Hey guys, what is up? Scott from Sleep Edge Lifestyle here, and welcome to another video. In this video, I am doing a Master Affiliate Profits review and update video. So make sure to watch it to the end, as I'm going to dive deep into Master Affiliate Profits and whether or not it is worth it. You can always check, if you are interested, you can always check out the link below if you are interested at all in Master Affiliate Profits. That's only there if you want to check it out. You don't have to, but it's just there. I'm also going to be mentioning another thing that I'm using to help promote MAP, which can be found down below as well in the comment section and description, if you are interested in that as well. Only if you're interested, though. So Master Affiliate Profits has been a great system so far. I do highly recommend it. It does have lots of learning inside of it of how to properly do affiliate marketing. I feel like there's a lot of misinformation online when it comes to affiliate marketing, and I, for one, struggled for one whole year when I first started affiliate marketing. Basically, when I got into affiliate marketing, there was lots of information. I did have a course and everything, but then I was getting sidetracked by everything else. As time went on, I spent a year basically hopping from product to product, and instead of building my list and things like that. And Master Affiliate Profits really helps simplify a lot of that stuff. And I've been using it now for a couple of months or so, and I have earned some commissions. Now, a lot of people are going to sit there and look at my commissions and go, oh, well, that's not much. But to be honest, I've mostly been promoting it. Like, I do have a list and everything that I am promoting it to, and I'm trying to get them to join. It's just a matter of nurturing the leads and stuff, and getting them interested in this, and it really does work, and I have earned some commissions, as you can see here. So my current commissions are at $26.99. I just earned another sale the other day. Unfortunately, I didn't get to do a video until today about it, but yeah, I did. I'm at $26.99 now. So the questions of, does Master Affiliate Profits work? Yes, it does, as long as you're putting in consistent effort and stuff like that. It does work, and it is a very extremely good system once you follow the training and everything else. There is lots of training, as I said, so if we go to menu, you can see the training here in the side menu. There's the live trainings, there are list building trainings, email marketing, traffic training, video marketing, creating bonuses, which is very extremely, you need to be able to create bonuses in the affiliate world, and you need to be able to create bonuses that are valuable. You don't want to just throw some stupid little PDF together that really has no meaning, no value, no nothing, and expect people to try and buy or whatever out of that PDF. It needs to be valuable. It needs to be extremely lucrative and tie in with whatever it is that you're giving away or whatever you're promoting. So yeah, they go through all that in the creating bonuses. There's social media marketing, like how to properly do social media marketing. There's how to do ad marketing. And then, of course, you got banners and graphics that you can get for Master Affiliate Profits. And then, of course, they give you a blogging tutorial as well, and blogging learning. There's lots of modules inside each of the systems, in each of the learning spots here. But they do give lots of training and basically proper information that I wish I had known when I first started affiliate marketing. As I said, I struggled for a year in affiliate marketing before, I learned. And even last year, like, I was earning more than I earned in my first year. I earned way more than what I earned in my first year, but I still didn't know the ins and outs. And this year, I've really put some things together, and I've really started to make money with affiliate marketing. But Master Affiliate Profits, it does take consistency, and it does take showing up every day. Now, there are some people that I've seen in the Facebook group, which is down here, which you can get the Facebook group link here and join the Facebook group. But the one thing I've seen in the group is some people not wanting to put in the work, and they think that this is completely done for you to the point where they don't have to put in any work. And I'm going to be completely honest with you guys, that does not exist online anywhere. If you are looking for something where you don't have to lift a single finger and you just want it to run, really that doesn't happen until you get everything set up in anything you do online. And even then, you still need to be there at the helm, driving the ship, basically. Master Affiliate Profits goes through all that, though. They go through, what to expect in affiliate marketing. They go through, it's just a great system, and I've been really, excited about it since I first joined. But the Facebook group is there to help. But like I said, I have seen people that come in and they're like, oh, well, they try to cut corners. And this is what Master Affiliate Profits also teaches, is that you can't cut corners when trying to make money online. You can't cut corners in affiliate marketing. And, they really go through that. And I'm really happy that John and Omar put this together, and that they've made such a great system. So with this, though, I've also put a course together for my team, and this free course that I've put together, basically, you will get it as soon as you join MAP. Basically, this free course shows you how to put together a funnel that I've made. Basically, you get a funnel to put together and, help market. You basically get bonuses and everything else that you get to, use as your bonuses and stuff like that, including the course. So you get the course yourself to hand out as well. And I go through everything inside that course, like basically tying it to MAP, like showing things from MAP and things like that. And then with that free course, you can go out and promote MAP. But you should always come back to this training. Now, it is very simple to join. Basically, with the link that's down below in the comment section and description section there of the video, just down below, you will see this link. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on this link, and then you're going to go through. I don't know if I can really do it. I might have to see. Give me one quick second here, because I'm going to open up a new incognito window. We'll try that. And then what you're going to do is basically, you're going to come to this. I might have just accidentally hit the wrong thing. Nope. So you're going to click here for access, okay? And so when you do that, you're going to simply put in your best email. You're going to say, yes, create my free account. And then when you come in, once you go through all that, you're basically going to come in and basically just watch this orientation video. So this orientation video gives you the ins and outs of the system. It teaches you everything you need to know about MAP and Master Affiliate Profits. Master Affiliate Profits is a great learning place for people that are just starting out into affiliate marketing. And again, it's something I wish I had when I first started, because I struggled hard in my first year. Like, I did get my first $400 commission when I first started, but then there was like a big huge lull where I had nothing come in, and it was heartbreaking in a sense, because when I first started, it was like, and I wish that I had had something. This down here, though, like, even though I've only earned $26.99 with Master Affiliate Profits so far, I'm still nurturing leads and stuff like that have come in to learn more about Master Affiliate Profits. And those leads, I am nurturing them and getting them excited about Master Affiliate Profits. And honestly, it's something to be excited about. I'm excited about it. It's been an amazing system. I've got friends that have been earning with it. One of my friends actually has won 2 months in a row now the first place prize in the system, and they've been earning commissions left, right, and center with it. Myself, I've been more so going the route of just nurturing the leads myself, and then, giving them updates and stuff about Master Affiliate Profits, and just kind of going through it that way. Probably taking the longer route through doing that, but it's better to nurture them and get them excited about it anyway. But I do highly recommend Master Affiliate Profits. I recommend everything that they have to offer, and it's a free system. I mean, it's free to start, I should say. It is free to start. Amazing system, very well put together. I've been with John for a couple of years. I've been promoting some of his stuff off and on, and John really does put his heart and soul into his business. And when he started out, he was kind of like me, where he was working a 9-to-5 job he didn't like, and he basically got really. This is John right here, by the way. John started out. He hated his job, and honestly got angry about his situation, and he just finally one day said, "You know what? I'm gonna find another way, other than the 9-to-5 grind to get money." And now he's the owner of his own business, and he's just really, really made a name for himself in the online world. And he's built this company, and he's come out with many different things before, but nothing as lucrative as Master Affiliate Profits, which I think blows the pants off of any system out there, in the way that he's gone, and gone rid of all the hype out there, which, let's be honest, we're sick and tired of seeing the hype. We're sick and tired of seeing the promotions. We're sick and tired of seeing the junk that's out there, the junk that really holds you back from making money online. And Master Affiliate Profits has changed that world and that game. I've earned money with it already. I've been promoting it, but it's just not as heavily. And I mean, when I am promoting, I'm getting people to my own personal list to talk to them about MAP on a more personal level, and then get them interested from there. So it does work, whether you're using the link up here and sending people to that, or you're getting people to your own list and doing it as well, which some of these people have come into my own list, and then they've gone through and purchased. So far it's only been the one-time purchases so far, but like I said, it does work. It is an amazing system. I highly recommend it, guys. And my final verdict on it is, honestly, you can't go wrong with starting out something for free. I mean, you can come in, check it out, check out some of the training. John and Omar have made this so that it stops list sabotage. And by list sabotage, I mean, like, when someone comes in to your list, and you sell a product to them, and they actually buy it, then that vendor gets to message them, and they've stopped things like that. One of the other beautiful things about Master Affiliate Profits that I really love, and I'm tying this in with the final verdict, because one of the things that I love about Master Affiliate Profits as well is that they're also marketing to your leads on your behalf. During, like, when you get a lead into the system, they do market on your behalf as well for 90 days. So that's pretty sweet as well, because then once they're in, you do have like an email sequence that goes out alongside their emails, but they mostly do a lot of the heavy lifting in that sense, and market to your leads for 90 days. After that, if you want to continue marketing MAP or whatever to them, you can. If not, you can always switch them to your own personal list or whatever. You know, that part's totally up to you. But it does work, guys, and it's an amazing system. I love it. And, you know, it's got a lot of information in it. And, you know, my final verdict is if I could give it, you know, any ratings at all or any stars, I'd give it like a 10 out of 5. And I say that because the amount of information that John put in here, he should have literally charged for the system itself without starting for free. I'm saying get rid of the starting for free part and basically, you know, charge all the time for it, because there's a lot of information here, a lot of great information that, you know, there's other stuff online that's misinformation, and there's, you know, small parts in affiliate marketing where they tell you things, like they tell you one small fraction of what actually needs to happen in affiliate marketing and things like that. And it's just a big, huge slew of problems online. But Master Affiliate Profits has come out and has finally, you know, set the board basically for, you know, it's basically giving you all this training in one spot, in one platform, in one area to basically learn the proper way to do affiliate marketing, and then build on that as well. Not just build, but build, you know, your leads, build your commissions, you know, and maybe finally just quit your 9 to 5, you know, and start making recurring commissions, which there are recurring commissions inside the system as well that you will get as well, so that, you know, can build your recurring monthly income. So my final verdict is go for it, guys. You know, what are you waiting for? You know, taking action is the biggest step into really starting online and really, you know, starting with something that actually makes money, that actually works, that actually, you know, it just works. So you guys have a great weekend, and cheers.